Everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations. Me and Shopcat. You can see her in here. It's a little chilly out today. It's like 55 degrees. I mean, it's warmer than normal, so I got her out for like one last day to play. We are going to be taking out the Ford Ranger steering wheel. Now, what's funny is these 90s to early 2000s steering wheels and Rangers have a lot of the same parts as Mustangs. So if you see this video and then I do it again on a Mustang, it's the exact same steering. We want to keep it for our Mustang that has a brown kind of busted steering wheel and got a cover on it, but I want this nice new one. So let's get some work done and show you how to get this off. Quick video. All right, so the first thing you're going to need to do is remove the airbag. The airbag that sits right here, you're going to have to remove that. And it's pretty simple. It's a bolt on the side, a bolt on the side, unclip it, boom, you're done. If you want to see more in depth because you're a little nervous around working with airbags, I will show you on the, go to the playlist for the Ranger, this Ranger. It's the only playlist we have. It says Ford Ranger body and chassis playlist. And then the other one is going to be Ford Ranger engine work. So this is all the body stuff is going to be together. The very first thing I would always say is when you're doing electrical components or airbags is always disconnect the battery, always disconnect the battery, always disconnect the battery. If you say it 3 times, people do it. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the horn connection on here, the horn connection. Now this doesn't have the, sometimes the steering wheel, like in my Mustang right here, has the cruise control. And then over here, there's another plastic. And Wolf's coming over. Hey, Wolf. Hi, bud. If you like my shop cats, you got to go to Disturbing Creation Pets, and you can see all of our kitty videos. All right, so this is the horn. Now, you can take the horn out here and remove it, or take the whole steering wheel, but we are going to be removing this right here with a T50. So we just put our T50 in, and we're going to break that free, just like this. And then pull the steering wheel right off. Let me go ahead and get it off so I can show you whatever else needs to be done. I'm gonna go get the two-way pull, and then I'm gonna come out and show you how to use that as well. All right, guys, I know this is a little bit overkill with this pulley, but I can't find my small one, so go big or go home, right? Isn't that what most of you guys say? So I got it locked on. It's a 19 head. So I'm going to go ahead and just twist it a couple of times. You should only maybe need to go around one whole circle before it breaks loose. Once it breaks loose, you can just slide it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and break it loose and then show you what that looks like. All right, so once you break it loose, the last thing you wanna do is let this one flow free and take this out of the clock spring. So there's like this little push. You push this in and you pull up and it'll release it from right there. Then just gently let it go out, and then there it is. So this is the piece that it's locked on, and you don't want to damage this. This is called the clock spring. So what happens is once your sensor says, oh, we've been into an accident, it sends something up here, it disengages, or it engages this clock spring, and then this sends electric to your airbag to pop out. So make sure that you're not destroying this. This is an expensive part. If you destroy this and put your airbag back on and you didn't mean to, your airbag could deploy on you as soon as you put the battery back.